Good afternoon. It is June 5th, 2025, and today we had a range day. It's probably more of a broad bear channel situation, but really just a range. You can see right there that it looks like we're going to end up a doji unless we get a late sell-off or late rally. So we had this news item, and that's pretty much what I drew the range around. So I'm guessing that was at 5:30, so you probably want to be flat until then. And then we kind of just chop down. I don't really see any way you could get in on this. Let me make this larger. I don't see any way you could get in on this really, but let's say here it's pretty clear we're in a downtrend at this point. So we make this move down, a bunch of sideways stuff again. You make this double bottom. This is a area of support, and you can see that looks like a wedge bottom. So, you know, there's probably going to be some longs there. You got three bull bodies in a row. None of them broke above this bar, but this, you could argue this looks like a sell climax. So I think that there is a lot of evidence that we're going back to the EMA here. And that's what we do, and we sell off and we go lower. When you see prices respond to the EMA a couple times, I think it's reasonable to consider going short there, but you are going into support, so you have to keep that in mind. Let's see. You get a bear bar right off of resistance, but to me it just looks like, you know, you're in this strong bull channel, micro channel, probably 6 bars, 5 bars. I think you gotta hold off. You're above the EMA, and we do go lower before reversing out of this. So I think it's well established that we have support right here. You have a break of the channel. You might expect a bigger sell-off, but this is a big bull bar. Even though you're in probably a 7-bar bear micro channel, you know, it looks like we're ranging at this point. So I think it's reasonable to consider that. Then we get this tight bull channel here. A little bit of a micro channel, probably 7 bars, 8 bars, and then break. And it kind of fades out, and you get another sell-off. And that's like that's the sell climax I'd be looking for after this bear channel. And so I do like this big, strong bull bar, even though you're going right into the EMA. High or low, I think you're going to get something there. And I don't really see anything I like in here. I mean, I'd consider this. It's not a strong bear channel down. You have a break, what appears to be a break, and move to a new low, and it just propels out. But you know, a lot of overlap here, so you could get a outside bar right after that. Kind of form a double bottom right here, and it bounces, and you get a nice move. I don't really think it's not easy to get in on this, but you could jump in at the EMA thinking we're going to test the highs. And we get this flat bull channel. And this is when you do want to start looking for a reversal. You're near the highs. This bull channel is played out, and this bull move is really played out. You got 1 strong push up, 2 strong push up, and you get this, I mean, the 3rd strong push up, and then you get this bull channel. That's played out. So I think this is a reasonable area to be looking for a reversal. And you can even, I was getting in and putting my stop above here. So very reasonable. And you get an incredible move out of this. I don't think you want to jump in on the lower highs on this range day, unfortunately. And then we reverse, and yeah, you could look for, if this is a high or low, you could enter with a limit order. And because it's a range day, when you get a break of this channel, just get out and take your profits. And then we sell off. And then you get a strong sell climax. I would take this. I would take this. And when you get this micro channel, you might just want to take profits above that, reconsider before you get whipsawed. So that's how I saw it. This is the 17,000 tick chart. You can see just a range day. And nice bull bar right there. So again, this is how the daily chart looks like. I'll be back tomorrow. Hope everyone had a good day.